In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw an organic shaped pumpkin on a two-dimensional paper that looks three-dimensional. I know that when we think of a pumpkin, we think of it being just round and it has sections in it, and we've kind of done pictures like this where we just draw straight lines, but look how flat that picture looks. So I'm going to demonstrate how we can make this pumpkin look actually three-dimensional. So first, we have to make room at the top because a pumpkin always has a stem at the top. So the best way to do this is up at the top of the paper, find the middle, and you're going to put your 4 fingers at the top of the paper and put a little dot. And then you're going to slide all the way down to the bottom with 1 finger because we don't have to worry about a stem at the bottom. It's just going to be sitting on the ground. So once we have our 2 dots, we're going to create these sections. Now, on a pumpkin, if you look at the three-dimensional pumpkin, these sections are not just perfectly straight lines, they're curved lines. So from this dot to the bottom dot, we're going to create some curved lines to create these sections in the pumpkin. So from this dot, I'm going to curve out and connect it back to the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And you may not get it perfect, and remember, pumpkins, they're organic shapes, so they're not perfectly straight. They might have bumps and dips in them. So once I get my 2, I'm going to go back to the other side and I can come to the same dot and I can go up and curve around, and then again on the other side, up and curve around. And if you don't go all the way to the dot and you just connect it there, that's fine also. I come up and around, and then again on the other side until you get the size pumpkin that you want. Now, in the center, that is where the stem grows out. And of course, there's different shaped stems. If you look at this stem, it's kind of curved. So you could do a curved or a straight stem, whichever you want. And I'm going to come in. I'm going to be coloring this brown, so I'm not going to worry about my blue lines right now. And then I'm just going to do a curved. And then later we may add some vines and some leaves on them. Now, we want our pumpkin to look like it's sitting on the ground. So what's nice about this is if you want it to look like it's sitting on the ground is we can take from the middle of the pumpkin here, I can take my line and go all the way across to the edge, but I need to finish it on the other side. So if you take your finger and follow that line all the way to the other side and finish it on the other side, now our pumpkin looks like it's sitting on the ground. And that's how we make our pumpkin look three-dimensional.